Hey guys, it's Christina. How's it going? Well, it's that time of year where I'm getting my classroom ready. It's crazy. This summer has definitely flown by. I mean, it always does, but I feel like this summer especially just went by so fast. It feels like it just started. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to record just a few days of me going back to my classroom so you can kind of see the process I go through. This year was a little bit better because I didn't have to organize as much, and so I was able to get in and get decorating a little bit faster. So yeah, this is kind of what I did those first few days. Okay, this was my first look of my classroom coming back from the summer. And I didn't have any like massive organizing projects, so I just wanted to go through some of my cupboards and organize those and organize above my cupboards because that was an eyesore to me, so I wanted to make that look better. I chose a cupboard that has quite a few papers in it, and I just wanted to go through and get rid of any papers that I couldn't really use anymore. I get a lot of really cute papers from my mom who likes to scrapbook, and so the kids love them. They love using them for little projects in their free time, and there's been different projects around the classroom we'll use things for. Time to tackle everything above my cupboards. Here you can see how much better it looks. I mean, there's still some work to do, but I thought for this year, that was good. I decluttered quite a bit, so maybe I'll just do little by little till it looks better. I worked on this rewards cupboard, and I did quite a bit, but I still have work to do on it. Back to the rewards cupboard where I tried to get rid of things I just never use and just make it so it's easier to find things in there. And here you can see me going through some of my bins to see what I could use for this year. I've loved these plants from IKEA. I've used them for so many years. But this pot, as you can see, was starting to wear out, so I'll later throw that away. And I also would later go to the store and get some new flowers to change out the pink ones for white ones. I was going to buy new labels for organizing, but I ended up finding those, which was great. And so that worked out really well. As you can see, these other ones were just falling off. My new wallpaper. I just love it so much. Well, it looks really good, but of course I ran out of wallpaper. So I'm gonna have to order some more because I want it to go all the way over to this edge. So. And then over here, I did like picture it being bigger, but I thought I would just go with this and maybe put some more wallpaper here on the sides. And then all of this will be white, and I'll put some metallic washi tape on it to give it like that Art Deco feel. And I'm also gonna put in some columns. So I hope it turns out. Well, I didn't get enough white paper or wallpaper. This wallpaper will only go to about there. So I may put some of the black columns there that I got. And then over here, I will be getting more wallpaper because that's like where I'm gonna be putting my quote and everything, so. But I'm liking how things are coming together so far. Got this little bulletin board with blue and gold, because I'll have accents of blue on this. This kind of looks, I don't know. I used some gold washi tape on the vase and then silver over there. I don't know if it might look kind of silly, so I may just spray paint it or something, but we'll see. But yeah, this is kind of how far I've gotten with things today. Okay, so this is the final day I show you just because I didn't want to give away too much. But this day I put up these nice columns that I really loved. And I feel like these really just tied everything all in together. So I really like that purchase. And I got these posters from IKEA for like $1. I think $1 each. And also those pots as well. All right, well, I kind of stopped there. I didn't want to give away too much about what my final classroom product was going to look like. And so, yeah, I just wanted to give you a little preview of some of the things I do. And then you'll have to watch the classroom tour, which will be my next full video coming out next. So I hope you enjoy that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much for watching.